So everyone is shouting Bitcoin 70k or 100k first. Well, market intent, not prediction. What's going on, everyone? Today we are not here to predict price. We are here to understand intent. Bitcoin is at a level where emotions are high, opinions are loud, and most people are already positioned without clarity. The real question right now is simple. Does Bitcoin go to 70k first or 100k first? Let's break it down. Well, Bitcoin is currently trading inside a high time frame decision zone. We had a strong impulsive move to the upside, followed by clear distribution at the highs. This is important because after every impulsive move, the market needs to decide one thing: continue or rebalance. And that decision is never random. Why? Because it's about the liquidity. And right now there are two major liquidity areas in play. On the downside, we have high time frame demand around 70k. This is where unfilled orders, inefficiencies, and long-term interest still sit. On the upside, we have the 100k zone, which acts as a supply and reclaim area. Price is currently reacting between these two pools, and here is the key thing most people miss. Markets don't move based on opinions, they move based on liquidity. We have two scenarios. A deeper retrace towards 70k is absolutely possible, not because the market is bearish, but because the market may need to rebalance inefficiencies and absorb remaining sell-side liquidity. On the other hand, if Bitcoin manages a strong reclaim and acceptance above the mid-range supply, that opens the door towards 100k. Both scenarios are valid. What matters is which liquidity gets taken first. So as you see, this is not about predictions. I never believe in prediction. I just believe in data and real info. Predictions are for engagements, as the YouTubers use for their thumbnails. Structure is for survival. So our job is not to guess. Our job is to observe what is happening, learn the liquidity. And you gotta stay patient and let the price show its hand, and intent always reveals itself. So let's see the altcoin market cap now. Because this is where most people get chopped. The total altcoin market cap is currently attempting to hold above a historical trend line support. If we see a strong hold and bounce from this level, supported by a healthy volume, that would signal a potential regain of bullish momentum across altcoins. However, and this part is critical, a confirmed breakdown or a retest of that trend line as a resistance would suggest further downside and correction in the altcoin market. This is a binary zone. There is no middle ground here. So this is where patience matters most. Chasing alts before confirmation is how most portfolios die quietly. Let the Bitcoin decide first, and then let the altcoins follow. So please don't rush in this market. Don't guess. Don't leave up to predictions of the YouTubers. You gotta wait for the confirmation and move with the intent, and stay calm and patient, because the market rewards people who is calm, who is patient, who have a long term. Especially you gotta know that the altcoins will not perform as the 2021 bull market. I don't believe in the altcoin anymore. As you know, many times I said that the crypto market has changed. It's not about the alts. It's about Bitcoin, maybe Ethereum and Solana, and no more. Stop there. Maybe I will give it a little bit to Sui, but not more. And then the meme coins and the futures, leverage. That's the crypto market, what is all about right now. So I wouldn't risk a lot for the altcoins, seriously. Unless if it's Solana, and don't marry with that neither. Solana in 250, 270, you already start to exit and take your money from the market. So, see you next episode. Thank you for watching.